Hey everyone, we are at Valor headquarters over in Santa Ana. I'm David, and I have my partner here, Andrew, and we have something very cool to show you guys today. And this is the Valor Sentinel Vault Preservation and Storage System. Andrew, tell me what this is.
Well, basically it's a big box, but it's a very strong big box, glass reinforced. It's designed specifically to be able to seal. It's got a gasket line all around the edge, and to so you can store whatever you need to put in there, weapons, ammunition, food, or anything else. We've got a reinforced plexiglass molding system here, so you can customize, put a med kits in there, whatever else you want to line up here, and then and store into the box.
Well, I see this is a really big cavity. I saw on the spec sheet that has 135 liters worth of space.
That's right.
What would normally someone would put in here, and what use cases that we design this for?
Ammunition, guns, whatever you want to keep safe and dry and rust resistant for as long as you need. So we've designed this with a valve system. This is a relief valve down here, and this is the input valve. It's a standard Schrader, so you can hook it up with a lot of accessories. And once you have whatever you want to put in there, you can put in your ammunition for whatever caliber you want, whatever you want to put in there, up to 135 liters. Once you've done that, you close the lid. You've got 7 heavy-duty latches that ensures that the whole box is going to be sealed once we close it down. Yeah, completely airtight.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
And we're going to do the flush system later to show you guys how it all works. But some other features I noticed here is that we designed this to be really mobile, because you can see the side carry handles and the wheels and the big pull.
That's right.
Pulley system.
Once you load this up, man, it's going to be a couple 100 pounds at least. You're going to want to be able to lift it up and pull it on wheels.
Yeah, and that's a wonderful feature that you can get wheels on it, you can drag it. Another thing that I noticed was that we designed this to allow it to stack on each other. That way you can put in the garage, you can put 7 of these stacked up, and it would just sit perfectly on each other, and it's just a phenomenal feature for storage and preserving.
Yeah, it's a stackler modular system. And again, like the Schrader valve, you put in a standard type of gas, CO2, argon, nitrogen, whatever you want to do to flush out the system. We have the release valve down there, so you can pump your inert gas in here and flush out the oxygen. Once you feel comfortable enough on the flush, you tighten down the release valve here, seal it, and then you can continue compressing the box, so you actually have some positive pressure with your CO2 or argon or nitrogen. And then you close it up and you're good to go. It will stay dry with no oxygen in there until you open the box.
All right, well, anything else you want to add before we try to do the flush system and show everyone how it works?
No, I mean, it's just, like I said, it's customizable. We have set up holes here so you can put padlocks on there. So if you do want to have it locked down and keep it a little bit safer, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides there that you can lock down if you want to.
Oh, right. Yeah, we do have the cable locks that fits perfectly for these, keeps anyone that you don't want in your box out. Well, that's right. I think it's a great demonstration of what this is. Let's go get this nitrogen tanks, and let's hook it up and show how the flush works.
Sounds good.
All right. All right, everyone, we are back, and we have a tank of nitrogen here with us to do this flush. Andrew, do you want to show them what it looks like and what we need to do to get this?
Yeah, it's like I said, we've got nitrogen here. We only got procured nitrogen because it's convenient. You can also use argon if it's easier to get. It's just a standard tank. We have our flow valves here all connected up, ready to go, and this is for the Schrader valve. Again, the reason why we're using a Schrader valve is just because it is the most common air fitting in the world. It's used on every car tire, every motorcycle tire, every bicycle. They all use Schrader valves, so it's very easy to find and to connect up to your favorite gas that you want to input in there. So I already have this open and pressurized. So all you do here is we're going to connect up to the Schrader right here. Now, when you're doing this, you want to make sure the box is fully sealed, all the clamps are down. Otherwise, you're going to be kind of a wasted exercise. Once you've done that, open up the relief valve so it can release the oxygen in there, and then just start putting some gas in there. We're going to put ease that into there.
You can hear the hissing now.
Yep. So what we're doing is we're just, I've got a light flow right now. It's pushing nitrogen into the box, and then the relief valve is letting the gas, the oxygen in there go out. I would run it for anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes just to make sure you got a good flush. And then once you're ready to go, you keep the gas running, you tighten the relief valve, and that will now pressurize the box. This is a pressure vessel. It's got a full seal, tight clamps. Once you've pressurized it slightly, you lock it down. And you're ready to go.
And this is how you will flush and pressurize the Sentinel Vault 135 MT preservation and storage system. And you can feel right now it's really full and just compresses.
Yeah, it's fully pressurized.
And you can,
your guns or ammunition or anything you put in there is going to last forever. Once you do that, you can bury it in the backyard and bring it up in 50 years. It'd be fine. So that's what it's designed for, and we hope it keeps yourself safe.
all right, thank you for watching, and make sure to follow us, subscribe. You can be up to date with all our new products that we are constantly trying to come up with.